Hello. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Please, kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, don't forget to hit the like, leave a comment, and hit the notification button for the next video, no? Okay, so for today, we are going to study or to learn how to construct a simple line, bar, and pie chart using Excel. Okay, so first, lagi nating highlight ito and then go to insert. For example, start tayo sa line graph. Then, add natin ng title yung access. And then data table, no? Okay. Yan. So, pwede din yan, no? But, all we need now is the name of the access. Okay. So, this is the sales. So, in 1,000 pesos, since nasa 1,000 na, so, yan, tama na po yan. And then, we have the days of the week. Okay, sa paggawa ng graph, importante. And then, ito din, you need to change the title, no? Kung ano yung title talaga niya dapat. Sales during the first week of operation. Of Acts 12:7 convenience store. Alright. Yan. Okay. Then we have now, okay, so insert ulit tayo. Then gawa ulit tayo ng, okay, dito na chart gamit ang line graph. Okay, ito na agad yun. Pero we need to add access title. So, para madaling maglagay ng access title. Okay. Delete natin ito sa sales. And then days of the week. And guys, don't forget na kalimutan na change yung title. Dapat na unang gagawin title talaga, no? During the first week of operation. 12:7 convenience store. Ayan. So, very simple. Madali lang mabuo. Napakadaling gawin. Okay. And then, tabi muna natin to. Gagawa tayo ng pie. So, sa paggawa ulit ng pie chart, Highlight ulit natin to and then insert. Dito tayo sa 2D. Yan. Mapansin nyo meron na siya agad, no? Okay. So, ang title ay sales during the first week of operation. Then, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng level. So, napansin nyo. Yan. Okay? Ayan na po yun ang kanyang graph. So, ganyan na kadali ang paggawa ng simple graph. Kaya po, simple dahil madali lang sila gawin. No? Basta ready na ang iyong data. Just click, insert. Remember, just click insert and then choose here. No, pwede ring ano ka lang recommended chart. Pindutin mo to. So, ayan, okay. Pero meron na tayong nilagay, so hindi na siya naglalabas. So, ayan. Maganda din yung ano, no? Okay? So, kung may question kayo, may clarification, just write it on the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? I love you all. Bye-bye.